That's great. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I have 16 squishies. Help us to get to 50 subscribers on 100. Please! That's the first video.
Cu ce te ocupi? Din ce trăiești în UK? Ce faci în UK? Mi-a bubuit acul acum.
Oh yeah,
So I am a performer, sex performer.
Come on, let's get the goalkeeper. Goalkeeper! I want to be goalkeeper. Okay, goalkeeper.
Contortion.
Goalkeeper.
Eu vreau sex performer.
Mie mi s-a...
Sub.
It's okay. În fine, cred că a înțeles toată lumea. Senai, faci de mulți ani treaba asta?
No, I'm referee.
Yes,
I want to be a
I've been performing
referee.
for about
10 years.
like 13 or 14 years.
Ok. Ți-ai imaginat acum 15 ani că va veni o zi în care vei veni în România pe scena emisiunii România au talent?
No.
Referee. Do you want to go?
It is very My family are in Ethiopia. Now I can talk to them, but 3 years ago I couldn't talk to them because there was a war going on in my city, which is in Tigray, Ethiopia.
Wow.
There wasn't any phones. There is no electric.
Well, that stinks
I can't
for her.
reach my family at all for whole 3 years.
What is that song, bro?
I actually have 4 sisters and 1 brother.
Ooh, that's epic. Ooh,
I am the smallest from the
cool.
family, and that was so hard. You know.
Hello,
It was, I don't
I'm
know.
Mr. Tomato. I'm a legend of the squishy family. Look me. That's
It was
me.
very difficult. Sometimes I got like a voice from my family, like after there was so many people dying and being killed, and I was lucky enough to talk to my family sometimes when I have the chance. That's the hardest thing in life. Like not knowing about your family, your sister, your brother, like that's the most painful thing, you know. The circus saved my life. Otherwise, I would be stuck in my country. Over 1 million people has been died during the war. And I'm performing tonight for all the people who deserve to live in peace.
Oh, mama. Look. There you I like a zombie. Yeah. What is the I like a Samila. The video is almost over. So it's within 40s and 50s for the outro. I mean the 40s, 40s, and 50s. Alla vita parla faccio non doing the outro soon. On the outro. Oh, we're almost doing the outro. Now we're doing the outro. So hey guys. So watch for part 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and even 10, guys. So can you help us get to 50 and 100 subscribers? So you know, guys, well, that sticks so hard in the war. Yeah. Yeah.